much happy and excited to start this series of knowing all the shortcut keys in Microsoft Excel. But you can ask me a simple question: Why do you use the shortcut keys? What is the purpose and what is the advantage of using the shortcut? Let me start with the same question: What is the usage of the shortcut keys? Of course, most of you knows the first usage is the time save. You can save lots of time when you are using the shortcut keys. You can do it everything very faster. And second one, of course, you can avoid the mouse. Totally, you can avoid the mouse. Most of the time, you can avoid the mouse. Third, very important advantage is available. Others don't know what we are doing and how we are doing it also. Correct? Let us start with a small example here. When you see the sheets, here I can have an Excel sheet where I can see there are so many empty rows are available in between. To delete the empty rows, I have to delete all the empty rows. To delete the empty rows, it's a bigger challenge, correct? So you have to delete, you have to select all the empty rows, select it, delete it, and it takes more time. Instead, if you are using the shortcut keys, if you are using the keyboards, very easily, very swiftly and fastly I can do it. Let me do it. Remember, I'm not touching the mouse. I'm going to use only the keyboard here. So let me do it very faster here. You can see I'm just doing it very faster here, and that's it. It has took only few seconds. You can notice all the empty rows in this table is deleted. Perfect, right? And one more, you can see a date. There is a date column available. Dates are in a different format. I want to convert it into single format. Once again, that's also a little bit challenge. Let me do it very easily. I select it and I just press a key. That's it. All the data has turned into a proper format. And suppose if there is a column called as numbers, where we can see it's not in a proper format. Something is in a text format, something is in a number format. How to convert it into a proper format? You cannot go to format cells and do it, which is a little bit challenge, but how can you do it very easily? Remember, once I am repeating, I'm not going to do it using the mouse, I'm going to do it using the keyboard itself. Okay. That's it. I have pressed some mixture of 3 or 4 keys. It has turned into a proper number format. Correct? Same thing I can do it here. That's it. It has turned into a proper number format here. And I want to convert this into a percentage format. That's it. I'm going to use a key. Everything has turned into a percentage format. That's the magic of using the shortcut keys. Suppose I'll go to the next sheet. Remember, I'm not at all touching the mouse. I'm doing everything through the keyboard. I want to draw a chart in the same sheet. Very simple. Just use a key. That's it. A chart is created in the same sheet. Correct? So in this course of training, we are going to, as I promised, we are going to see maximum of 168 shortcut keys. How are we going to see all this 168 shortcut keys? So first, this is the video about what is the usage and introduction video about shortcut keys. Correct? Then we are going to see how to use the shortcut keys in the workbooks, where we are going to learn 13 shortcut keys. And worksheet, we are going to use 11 shortcut keys. How to ribbons, 5 shortcut keys. Navigate worksheet 16. Basics and advanced section 13. And similarly, we are going to see the shortcut keys for each and every topics. At last, we are going to see how to customize the shortcut key, how to create our own shortcut keys also. And totally, as I promised, 168 shortcut keys we are going to learn. Even we are going to learn some new shortcut keys also here. Correct? So, see you in the next video, how to use the shortcut keys in